Pinangunahan ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ang send-off ceremony para sa Philippine National Team na nakatakdang sumabak sa Paris Olympics at Paralympic Games sa darating na Hulyo at Agosto. Yan ang ulat ni Daryl Oclares.
Bilang pagbibigay pugay sa ating pambansang kupunan na sasabak sa 2024 Paris Olympics at Paralympic Games, isang send-off ceremony ang idinaos noong Biyernes ng gabi sa Ayuntamiento de Manila sa Intramuros. Nanguna sa nasabing seremonya si Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. kasama ang mga matataas na sports officials ng bansa na sina Tagaytay City Mayor at Philippine Olympic Committee President Abraham Bambol Tolentino at Philippine Sports Commission Chairman Richard Bachman. Sa kanyang talumpati, binigyang diin ni Marcos ang 100 taon ng paglahok ng bansa sa Olimpiada na nagsimula noong 1924.
We gather here today to perpetuate the legacy of that determination and excellence that Philippine athletes have bravely demonstrated all throughout the years. More than a send-off, this is an opportune time to get inspiration from the countless athletes who have carried our flag with pride throughout the years.
Pinasadahan din ni Marcos ang kanyang patuloy na pagsuporta sa sports development ng bansa.
We have granted 52 million pesos for the preparation, training, and participation of Filipino athletes in the 2024 Paris Olympics. For this year alone, over 1.1 billion pesos in sports through the PSC has funded the aspirations and future of Filipino athletes. We continue to rehabilitate our major sports facilities, such as the Rizal Memorial Sports Complex, the Phil Sports Complex, to give our youth a fitting stage to improve and to showcase their talents.
Kasunod ng send-off ceremony, tutungo na ng Mets France ang ating pambansang kupunan para sa kanilang isang buwang training camp na handog ng POC. Daryl Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.